Ricky is jumping ahead of the game with his new daily. He's got a 2025 4Runner TRD non-pro base model bronze edition SR5 emblems. That's what he's got.
I'm broke.
Crap edition.
Crap edition.
Bro, you're stupid.
What?
You don't know how these clips work? You just push down and it pops right out.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Cool, just throw it in.
Cool. Just run 2 intakes. And mine's easy, like the filter, everything's already in the box.
Look. Okay. Make sure not to plug the map back in.
Like the Supra.
With the Supra.
Ran great.
Alright, how much gets replaced? Because you also have like a fucking factory oil catch can in line here.
What?
How much gets replaced? Just the elbow in the box, that's it?
Yeah.
Garbage.
It's just a noisemaker.
Ew.
Brand newish.
Maybe a 10 mil?
See if we get lucky. Oh, it's the same size Allen key.
Fucking plexiglass cover having ass. What's with this fucking heater hose intake pipe?
That's the boost tube.
Oh my god.
They have Banks makes a replacement. Oh, mercy. Okay. Oh wait, we got two clips up here.
Not yet, not yet. You figured it out this time? Good for you.
It's like a button. Those are nice.
Yeah.
Oh, one more again.
One more again?
Okay.
Trash. Oh my god. What is all that?
I hate when they do that. It's like a Phillips and then it goes to an Allen key.
Ruining cars day by day.
Mooning car.
Oh. Maybe take off this cover until we're done.
Magnetic. I want to make sure everything's tight. Out of the front, who knows?
That's not the right Allen key, is it?
No.
Let's just go get the right one. Yeah, we're like expecting. So obviously transfer the bushings. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me fix the camera. Probably couldn't see any of that. That's cool. Let's back it on up, Terry. Go on, Terry, back it on up. Are you supposed to cut a hole in the hood so it gets better air?
Yeah.
Ram air?
Ram me. What do you think that is? 5? 4. Maybe 5. 4.5. This 4.5.
No way.
It's 4.
Snapped.
Tight? Mine's gonna be done in like 3 minutes. the video on YouTube of someone putting, I think it's from the company, it's like 35 minutes.
I'm done. Here you go. Put it back. Put it down there.
Let me get this out.
We want to ram them. Kind of sucks.
What?
I'm not in love with this.
What?
Are you sure this was supposed to come off?
It's a whole new one attached to it.
Looks like shit.
Why? It doesn't go all the way forward? Oh, it's a double cup?
No, definitely not. This looks like shit. It's missing like all of this. So, I mean, I guess it's more airflow kind of, but... just leave it stock.
I can't do it.
Nice.
We'll cut that one, cut the piece out that goes there and fill it in.
Nope.
Plastic welding together.
Cool, done. Where's the mass airflow sensor?
This is like a squeezer.
Why?
I don't know. It's a good.
Are you sure you want that? Oh, yeah. You do.
I also don't know which
Okay,
direction.
you don't have this going the right way. It only goes one way.
Unlike me.
Cool. Glad we're in the view of the camera for this. We're putting a mass airflow sensor in, off camera.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry what we're doing here.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Okay. Okay.
It's probably because the pipe is bigger in the factory. I had to put it in the center.
So I got 150 off.
Cheap, cheap, cheap. Which way does the airflow go?
Oh, there is something about that.
Yeah, of course. But it doesn't have an arrow on it.
They say something about the notch.
Hard to tell, actually.
It was in the video.
Yeah, it goes this way for sure. For sure.
Shout. Bricked up hearing that. Relax.
That's like a fucking 8 again.
Boy. Yeah.
Oh. I'm allergic to your bullshit.
My shit's easy.
Oh my god.
Huh.
Fucking silicone's like super fucking tight.
Not everybody can afford PRL, bro.
Cool, now what?
I'm sure that thing's facing the right way, that sensor. I'll look at a picture of it installed. You could always switch it out there.
Bro, this sucks.
What? Put some hawk.
I might need that.
Oh, the factory one had this like.
Yeah, we don't have that anymore.
Was there a position for it? We're supposed to swap it over?
No. Nope. This is a worse intake.
It's in heat soak.
I don't know how the fuck they expect you to do this. Maybe this first. Bruh. It ain't liking that. Do this first. These clamps are like really screwing this over.
I'm gonna put it on the car first.
Yeah.
Here.
Down the intake too.
Oh. Okay. Let me look up this orientation.
It's going the right way. Look it up.
There you go.
Done. It's intake.
So we just pop the clips back in the holes.
Just to fill the holes. I mean, if you really wanted to, we could take a Dremel, not right now, and you could like cut this whole piece out. You could. You're gonna put it back. Sell the car in 6 months.
CEO of returning cars back to stock and selling them.
Literally.
Won't lose my shit.
I hate that shit.
Seconds away from not running it. Just open lid.
Usually helps to put heat on it. Oh, that's nice. It's already fucking spiderweb cracked.
They gave me the Blem unit because I got too much money off. Damn, all of them. Probably the top too.
Yeah, it's when they're pressing the magnets in, they're like,
Yeah. I'll send them a picture of it. They'll probably send me one.
no, he's gonna tell you this is how they all are, just like your battery tray.
Everything's damaged. They also didn't need to press anything. They could have just had a pocket for the magnet and like epoxy glued it in there.
Yep.
It's a very simple engine bay. Seems somewhat organized.
On room.
LS.
For bigger turbos. Turbo.
The boost tube would be easy to replace too.
I would say the only time you need to do that is if you were like feeling like surging. Car's too new to
I
like.
feel like I need to spend the money.
You just like spending money.
Bro, I'm gonna live once. And then you move to Thailand. Then you live twice.
Huh?
And then you live twice.
What? When you hit retirement? Is that what you said?
After you move to Thailand,
Oh.
then you live twice.
That's when your life begins.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, this is obnoxious. What company is this?
I have no idea.
Cool. Don't buy this intake.
CPLT, SXTH.
CP?
CP.
Ah, I almost had a clean pull.
Oh.
Can't wait for this to turn yellow.
in the one summer here, it's gonna be so hot. It's gonna melt.
Yeah, it's gonna it's gonna shrink
Dude,
wrap
it's so hot here.
around. Yeah, this is dumb.
Good idea. Here, I'll just measure
3D
this
print
and I'll
it.
3D print a new one out of ABS plastic.
Black, yeah, and just put holes.
No, I'll put magnets in it.
No, I'm saying, but put like breathing holes, more air.
You can pause the print, put a magnet in a pocket, and then continue the print. It'll print right over it.
Oh, that's not a bad idea.
the
So
magnet's
it's
inside.
gone.
Yeah.
Do that.
You can do a lot of shit. It's an easy shape too. I can measure.
Yeah, they literally, like, you could tell they like shoved this in there. I was like, Ksh. I don't know if you could see the
One
cracks. One unit. Start it up. Started. Get started. Nope.
No?
Fucking base model, bronze emblem, have an ass. Let's get it started. All right, relax. I don't know what happened to your drink, but it got ran over by a size 13.
What the hell happened?
I don't know. There's been an accident.
Todd.
Oops.
Cool.
Happy?
Nope.
Where's your hood struts?
They're on the way.
They're on the TRD Pro at CarMax?
No, none of them come with it, which is insane.
Cool. See you later.